Hey everybody, this is Tech Teach again, and in the following lessons you're going to be learning a little something about Autodesk Inventor. Autodesk Inventor is a really good 3D modeling software, and let's get started with some of the basics. You can begin by clicking on this I Pro button, and you can see that it's got all of the features here and it tells you what to do. You can start by making a new part, new assembly, new drawing. We generally start with the part and move from the part to a drawing or from the part to an assembly. So if I click on part here, it's really a memory intensive program, so it takes a little while for it to first load and begin functioning. Okay, once you come in, you see that you have your model view here. If you click on View and you look at Windows, the user interface window is what you'll use if you ever decide to delete this history, I call it. Then you'll go to View, Windows, User Interface, and you'll click on the browser. This allows you to adjust all of the toolbars. So the browser's right here. I think this is very important to have up on your screen so that you can see the history of the drawing that you're making. This over here is your work area. We'll begin in the model area. If I click on model, I can choose sketch, create, modify, fusion, work area, pattern, surface. The work area is where you're going to begin putting in your information. So if you click on sketch, and you can create a 2D sketch first. Once you do that, then you're able to add information to this part of the screen. So you can click on draw, and you can draw lines, rectangles, circles, anything you want. We're going to start out, we're going to make a cube that's 3 inches wide and 3 inches tall and 3 inches deep. So we click on rectangle, and then all we got to do is click drag, and now don't click anymore, just type in 3 tab 3 and press enter, and it will become a 3 inch by 3 inch square. If you take the middle wheel, you can roll in and out. You can also take this and pan around. Let's roll in on it. Okay, so now we can see that we have a 3 inch by 3 inch cube started, a square, and we're going to turn it into a cube. So this allows you to do all kinds of simple drawing, 2D, and then you can constrain with dimensions and those kinds of things with this. The constrain tool automatically appears for you, so it makes it easier. This is for patterns, circular or rectangular patterns or mirror. You can modify things, trim, that kind of stuff. You can lay things out. You can insert pictures and other CAD drawings and things, and you can format, you can exit your sketch. So we're not quite finished with our sketch. We want to do the model, and then we want to click on Create, Extrude. When you click on Extrude, it gives you a preview of what it's going to do. So you want to make this a cube, you want to make this feature here 3 inches. And then as you hover over, this feature right here is pretty easy to use. This is like pressing enter. You can just click check, or you can press the enter key. The same thing will happen. So that causes this thing to occupy the screen there, and has 3 dimensions. So in this first lesson, you learned how to make a cube, and what you're going to do is you're going to save your cube, File, Save As, and you're going to name it Cube 1, and you're going to make yourself a folder called Cubes. And I've already saved mine. And then you're going to be able to use this same cube over and over and over to create solutions to problems in the class. So don't lose your cube, or you'll have to make it over again. So good luck playing around with this thing, and if you mess up any, just remember the undo button's right up here, and you can undo and redo really quickly and easily. So good luck playing with it.